Hi everyone, here is Zakaria Amin from GraphicZA and welcome to this very exciting tutorial in After Effects. So what we're going to create, it's a simple intro for your channel or your web page. So let's show you a sample of what we're going to create. Just a logo and a text. So let's go ahead and start. At first go to composition, new composition, and the name of the composition I'm gonna type simple intro, and the size is gonna be full HD, and the time it's just 10 seconds because you want it short. Click OK, and right now here's our composition and here's the layers. So let's create the first layer, a PG background layer. So go to layer, new layer, solid, and type the name PG background, and the size is full, that's mean the full HD size, and the color we want it black. Click OK, and right now we want to add some effects to this layer BG. So here in effects we're gonna type ramp and drag the ramp effect to the BG. So right now here's the effect ramp. We're gonna change the shape of the ramp to radial. So right now what we're gonna do, we're gonna move the end of the ramp far away, and the position of the start ramp to the middle, like this. So now we're gonna change the colors to something like this, no, more darker, like 59 59000, and the end color to a dark color like 15 15 15. Press OK, and right now what we're gonna do is add a noise effect by going to effects again and click type noise, and drag again to the BG layer, and the amount of the noise is gonna be 5%. Okay, after we create the noise, we're gonna duplicate this layer BG by click Ctrl D or go to edit, duplicate. So when we duplicate the layer, we're gonna delete the effects, and we're gonna go to ellipse tool and click it double twice, like this. So we're gonna this is a mask, so we're gonna create the mask mode to subtract, and the layer mode to multiply. If you don't see the mode of the layer, just click F4. You see the options changed. Okay, and right now we're gonna change the feather amount of the mask by click twice M. Close this, twice M. See, here's the feather. We're gonna like 155. Okay, and change the opacity of this layer to 60, like this. So right now what we're gonna do, we're gonna import our logo. So you can just click Ctrl I or go to File, Import. So here's our logo. Drag the logo to the composition. You can see the background is red, and also the logo is red. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna add the tint effect to our logo. Here, color correction, tint. That's what we want. So right now we are going to animate our logo. So we're gonna animate our logo picture by add some effects like bulge, drag the bulge to our logo and click the time here, the watch, on the blur high, and change the horizontal to 215 50 and the vertical to 250, like this. Okay, and select your logo layer and click U to show the timeline of the bulge. Okay, so at first the bulge will be 0, and then we're gonna go to the timeline 15, the frame 15, and click change the amount to 1, and then go to the timeline 1 second and change back the amount to 0. And right now we're gonna also change the scale of the logo by click S. So here's the scale timeline. Click the watch. Okay, let's go from the start, from the beginning. Change the scale to 0. In the timeline, the frame 15, we're gonna change the amount to 120. So you can see the effect of the logo going up, go down to the normal size. So right now we're gonna change the position of the logo. Click P of the position, change the position to, click the clock. So go to the timeline, let's say, yeah, 1 second and 50 frame, and change the Y position to 634. Yeah, that's good. So right now, after we animate our logo, zoom, scale in, go back to the original size. So right now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put our text by clicking the text tool, type tool, and click. I'm gonna type right now, welcome to, okay, and then I'm gonna type GraphicZA. Select GraphicZA, change the size to 100, change the size to 120, change the font to MOOT. Okay, by the way, these two fonts, I'm gonna include them into a link so you can download them and use them. So right now I'm gonna change the color to white. So right now we're gonna change the position of the text. So at first we're gonna change the Y position. For the GraphicZA position, we're gonna type 805, and for the welcome to text, we're gonna change it to 800, like this. Let's just move the timeline a little bit. So right now we're gonna change the X position 627, and the GraphicZA text is gonna be in 553, like this. So after we put our text in the position, we're gonna animate it by using typewriting animate. So here, go to effect and presets and type here type right. Okay, drag the typewrite preset to the welcome and click U to show the timeline of the typewriting. So it's gonna start in the second 2, and we want it to end in the second 2 and 20 frame. So select this the end key frame, and move it, and also click shift. Okay, So right now we're gonna go to GraphicZA, move the timeline to the second 3. Okay, and drag the writer, sorry, and click U to show the timeline, the animation timeline. So we want it to end in the second 4 and 20 and 10, sorry, firm. So you can just type here, click the time, go to time, yeah, select the end keyframe and press shift, okay, like this. Now close, close, close. Okay, so here's our simple intro. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and our social websites like Facebook, Twitter, Voim. So again, here's Zakaria Amin from GraphicZA. See you next time.